Thank you all for joining me today for our Connect University on the sharing portal and admin journey. HandsOn Connect Cloud Solutions is excited to provide any and all the digital solutions you need, whether it's our flagship volunteer management product, HandsOn Connect, additional insights and trainings with our other Connect University sessions, learning about additional tools from our Connect Exchange series, Salesforce implementations and configurations or custom-built applications, our stellar support, including our virtual admin. We've got you covered. And as we like to remind our guests in today's training, I am recording today's session for future viewing. I'm really excited to be part of an awesome team. Advanced too fast. An awesome team here at HandsOn Connect Cloud Solutions, which consists of Alfredo, Esteban, Jenny, Livy, Melissa, Larry, who's joined us on the call today, Luis, and myself. And I am Art Ordoki. I am the Customer Success and Partnership guy here at the HandsOn Connect team, and I'm really excited to be joining you today. Since this is a 20-minute presentation, I'll be touching on the features admins can use to set up items in the sharing portal. If you need additional information on how to perform any of the tasks shown today, please drop into one of our daily labs or visit our extensive Knowledge Center for documentation. I know Melissa has covered the sharing portal for volunteer leaders and partners in previous sessions, so today I will be focusing on the admin side of the sharing portal. There are 3 items that we will be reviewing today, and that will be the home page of the sharing portal, which can be customized using our new HandsOn Connect CMS, reporting, which allows you to provide some basic reports to your partners in the sharing portal. And I'll be giving you a sneak peek of a new feature that's going to be coming in very shortly, which is the login as functionality, which will allow you to log in on behalf of your partners and volunteer leaders and participate in the sharing portal as their user. So the first thing I wanted to do is say that for the home page, it is going to be under the Pages item in the CMS, and we're really excited because with the new CMS, you're able to create a really dynamic home page. We'll take a quick dip into there in just a few moments, but I wanted to show you that it is a full HTML editor on the page. And just to get you thinking, here are some ideas of some of what our partners have done. You can see they've added graphics, links to other items. Other customers have even added quick guides and other information, links to waivers and forms that they may need on the site. So make sure you take advantage of this feature to use to communicate to your partners. So we'll jump over to the live presentation now and actually show you the sharing portal and how to access it. From this content management system, which you access through Salesforce, you are able to then go to the Pages item, and you will scroll down and you will see a page called Partner Portal Dashboard. When you click on that, you're able to change the name. If you don't want it to say home, you want it to say something else. And as you can see here, we have the content and images. And you can change this and add various items that you want to the content. So in the interest of time, I'm going to just show you really quickly how I pulled over content from another page that I've done. And so you can see you're really able to easily change. You can even add GIF images if you have them, and links and resources, as I said, to other pages. So it is a really great tool for updating and providing dynamic content for your volunteer leaders. You can come in here and update and provide them weekly updates or monthly reports, or even highlight, maybe a partner or volunteer leader of the month award. And you can update it very easily within the content management system. Just like that. The next feature I want to talk about is reporting. One of the great things, as we all know, is that the reports in Salesforce allow you to a lot of flexibility to slice and dice your data in a variety of ways. What we have done is integrated the Salesforce reporting and made them available to partner staffs in the sharing portal. It's really easy to use it, and based on the folders that you are using in Salesforce. Once you've established your reports in Salesforce under a folder, you then go into the content management system, and as easy as flipping a switch, you define which folders are available to your partners. So let's take a quick look on how to do that and provide some tips. When you go to reports, you're going to want to create, as I said, a folder to put all the reports that you'd like in there. You can share multiple reports if that's of help to you. Some of the things that you want to keep in mind when you're building reports for your partners through the sharing portal is what information goes in the columns. Remember, your partners don't have access to Salesforce, so things like volunteer opportunity IDs or occurrence IDs or connections IDs are not going to be relevant to them in that portal. So it's unnecessary information. So for this report, we're showing a list of our connections. So this would be the connections associated with that partner organization. And so you want to provide them the name of the volunteer opportunity that the individual signed up for, the name of the individual, possibly an email and phone number for those individuals, and then the status of those connections. Have they been confirmed? Are they still awaiting approval because they expressed interest? And then the start and end date of those connections, as well as the attendance status. This is a very helpful report for your partners to be able to access information quickly. So once you've created your reports and put them in a folder, it's very easy to share these with your partners. Again, we're going to go back to the sharing portal. And this time, we're going to go to one of the add-ons called Partner Staff Reports. Very easy name to remember. And from here, you'll see a folder, a list of all the folders of reports you have in your Salesforce instance. And it's as simple as marking the folder as yes to then allow those reports to be seen by those partners. When a partner then logs in to the sharing portal, they would be able to access the reports. And here you can see that new page we just added. They would be able to see the reports from the menu item here, and they can click on the reports folders you made available. So in this case, we know we were working with the partner reports, and we can click on that, and it'll load, and it'll show the reports that are available. Again, here's the connections report we were just working with, and the description that came from Salesforce. So make sure your descriptions are clear and easy to use. And your partners now have the ability to review the data in an easy table, as well as the features to export this functionality to a Excel or CSV type file that they can use to manipulate the data further. Maybe they want to create charts and comparisons and such. So there's a lot of information here. That's why it's taking a little while to generate the report because the partner I have is very active in our system. But the great thing is that the programs are, once the report's run, it's cached for 24 hours, making it very easy for the partners to come back and access the report again without having to wait for the load time. The last thing I wanted to share with you today is a safe harbor statement, which means this is a feature that's coming out. So some of the ways that it's going to look and present may change in the coming weeks, but I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of the new feature because we're all really excited here at the HandsOn Connect team. And that is the login as feature. We're going to be able to provide a link in the contact record of partner staff and volunteer leaders where you can impersonate that contact record. By clicking on that link, you will then be taken to the HandsOn Connect sharing portal and be logged in as that user and be able to manage volunteer opportunities, report attendance, and such as that individual. This is going to be really helpful for giving your partners and volunteer leaders a hand, as well as creating opportunities on their behalf. And it really is just as easy as it sounds. When you go to the contact record, there will be a link here. Again, language and position may change because we are still in testing, but it's as simple as clicking that link and being taken to the user's page. So we can see here, I'm immediately taken to the volunteer opportunities, and I'm able to view or edit as if I was Raphael. I can create volunteer opportunities for that partner organization. I can run reports and such that are pre-filtered for what that partner has access to. So a really great tool that's coming soon in an upcoming release. So that concludes our admin journey for today. We do encourage you to check back on our previous Connect Universities on the sharing portal for the volunteer leader and partner staff journey. That with today's session is now complete and you're ready to start using your sharing portal to expand the reach of your organization. We also encourage you to check back on some of our previous Connect University sessions, like our very first series, How to Lose 20 Pounds of Bad Data. This 4-part series provides you great tips and tools for understanding how data gets into your system and what you can do to get rid of and prevent bad data from clogging up your reports and such. We look forward to seeing you at our next Connect University session and invite you to always check handsOnConnect.org/webinars for a list of upcoming Connect Exchange and Connect University sessions. Thanks for joining us today and enjoy the rest of your day.